Hi, folks, and Happy New Year from TradeStalker.com. Let's hope 2018 is going to be a good year for your trading and for mine. Thought I'd give you a quick recap of our Friday action, um, maybe a couple setups that were on the 1 minute chart, and then a little discussion at the end here. So we opened on Friday. This was the Thursday close. Friday's open was immediately sold, like almost all the others have been lately. Uh, this was sold from one point above the 93 resistance zone at 94. Came down, bounced off of the 85, 84 zone, 84 half, and bounced right away. The bounce was feeble and stalled out here. Stalled out in this, immediately have a little island like reversal bar here from just under resistance here, and then came down and took out this initial support just by a tiny bit. This is at 85, 84 zone. It was broken by a bit. Bounces were not very strong at all, and I was telling people in the updates that this was bounces would continue to fail, and we could have a trend down day that was in the works. And so okay, they tried to hold here, but couldn't get going. Still was a short, and it came down until they bounced off of this major support area right here at about a little bit after, what time was it? Around just a little bit after 2 o'clock. Okay, it's kind of a normal time for a bounce. 2 o'clock, they couldn't get going much. They only got back to this 84 resistance, prior support and resistance, small pullback. Now we have a little run up for a head fake. This was interesting on a 1 minute chart. I'll show you that in a second. What was more interesting was this bounce back here. In any case, they ran up. It's a little head fake. This was at the with about 40 minutes to go in the day. They came up, couldn't get through this zone here, and this was our last resistance for to get a breakout or to end the day well. Had to get above here and hold. Couldn't. Turn down, reversed, and poked through the support and tried to bounce here. Couldn't bounce. It just went 5 minutes in this range, and then once this was taken out, it was an air pocket. Okay, down all the way down to just under 69. I think 68 and a quarter low. Show you real quick here if I can on a 1 minute chart where we had so okay, here we go. This is a 1 minute chart over here on my showing you. This was the little run up, pop up. They tried to get a run going. Turned out to be a stall here at the top. Turned down, went sideways. I don't know, 5 minutes. Couldn't go anywhere. Ended up with a breakdown. After the breakdown here, if you follow my cursor over on this side, you'll see that we came up to this once you start a downtrend, these lines, these two lines come into play as a zone for new dynamic resistance, and you have to give it a tick or two depending on how quick the move is. But see, when it popped up, hit that, stalled for a minute, and then boom, got hit again. Go back to this chart. Anyway, I'll just stay with the 1 minute chart here. We popped up here. This popped up in a quick reversal. This meant more downside. This was not, bounces still were not going to stick. We'd have to get back above this and hold back above the reversal area and stick now for me to get stopped out or turned around here. So they continued a quick sharp downtrend here. Came all the way down, like I said, this under 69 by a tick. What was our bounce? Bounce still holding, as you can see, right at the bands right here. All the way down into the end of the day. The final close at the 5 o'clock time frame, I believe it is. In any case, so kind of a wicked close to end the year. Santa Claus rally is in jeopardy. So we'll see how things work out come Monday. or come Tuesday, I'm sorry. So with that being said, good trading on Tuesday. I'd like to have you as a member at our group. Come join us at TradeStalker.com, or the ebook has, as I just noted, there's a number of setups that we had on Friday. So come join us at TradeStalker.com. Have a great day trading on Tuesday, and have a great 2018. Take care.